Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora and today we are here with the amazing lipstick review. We are talking about Guerlain and look at that. Look at the amount of stuff I got from them. But today is completely about this Porsche of lipsticks, the Guerlain lipsticks. Let's begin with the review now. So it's from Pro G collection and the finish is satin and it's in the shade 131. It's called La Beige Praline. It's a beautiful nudie shade and it's a nude pink and it is absolutely stunning. It has a satin-like radiance, it's smooth in texture and whatnot. I love it. And then I got this leopard print cover. This has a mirror case inside, which I will show you just now. So once you clip this cover onto the lipstick, that's when the lipstick and the cover also shuts down. So basically, it shuts down. The mirror shuts down once you put the lipstick inside it, and this is what it looks like. Isn't it stunning, you guys? Now you see, the moment you take that lipstick out, the cover opens. That is why it is so special. It's a unique experience. They're basically, you're paying for this experience. And look at that finish. I absolutely love the color, the way it works on my Indian skin tone. I've already told you the shade and I'm going to mention it in the description below. I think I absolutely love this, and if you want more such videos, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share and subscribe. Bye. I love you guys.